Will new wage and hour laws affect overtime reporting on W-2 forms? Breaking news in the world of labor and employment law. Recent changes brought by the One Big Beautiful Bill Act are making waves. The question on many people's minds is, will these new wage and hour laws impact how overtime is reported on W-2 forms? If you are an employee or employer, this topic is relevant to you. Let's get right into the details that matter most. Starting with the 2025 tax year, employers must report overtime premium pay separately on employee W-2 forms. This is a significant shift in how overtime compensation is handled. The new law requires the reporting of qualified overtime compensation. This is defined as the overtime pay under the Fair Labor Standards Act that exceeds the regular rate of pay. What does this mean for employees? Under the new law, individuals can deduct up to $12,500 in qualified overtime compensation from their federal income tax. For those filing jointly, the deduction increases to $25,000. However, it is essential to note that this deduction does not apply to overtime premiums mandated by state laws or collective bargaining agreements. Employers will have to adapt to this new reporting requirement. They can use reasonable methods to approximate these amounts for the 2025 tax year. More precise reporting will be necessary in subsequent years. This change adds a layer of complexity for businesses, especially those with less advanced payroll systems. The Internal Revenue Service will provide guidance on how to approximate qualified overtime compensation. Employers should be ready to adjust their payroll processes to comply with these new rules. This reporting requirement is part of broader changes aimed at reducing taxes on overtime pay. As these changes unfold, it is crucial for both employees and employers to stay informed. Understanding how these new laws affect overtime reporting can help everyone navigate the upcoming tax seasons more effectively. If you have questions, now is the time to seek clarity on how these changes will impact your financial situation. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops.